The TNTvans Sink System is a fully self-contained sink that requires no wiring or plumbing to an outside tank. These tanks are easily removed by hand and refreshed. The water flow is provided by a manual foot pump. The sink has a folding faucet and lid that collapses out of the way in order to provide more counter space inside your van. Down the road, if you feel you need a larger freshwater tank or a 12-volt water pump, you can easily hook the lines up to this sink and store the electrical pump inside the cabinet. No wiring, no plumbing, and no need to be a professional van builder. The TNTvans system can be built by anyone. All TNT van units are designed to be extremely flexible when it comes to installation. The user has many options on where to mount their anchors into the floor or wall. Once the anchors are installed, the TNTvans product can be bolted into place. Being able to completely remove the interior quickly allows the user to easily make changes to their walls and floors at a later time. So down the road, if we want to add power, if we want to add outlets, if we want to put in a solar system, we can. Or maybe we just need to return our van back to stock. An average entire van conversion kit is under 200 pounds. I designed TNTvans interior for rough terrain. Wooden joints eventually wiggle and twist loose over bumpy roads. Thank you for watching, and I hope you go on an adventure today.